check this out. This phone probably won't focus on that screen. But this is, I'm about ready to go to bed. But this is Kilowatt Whiskey 7 Yankee on Camino Island in Washington. I used to live just a ways from there. And I've still got the Variant 9 version of the 2-foot high end-fed 40 meter wire up. And he's, at times, he's over S9. And on the Variant 9 end-fed. So I'm going to try giving him a call. I don't know why, but I'm nervous. I'm real nervous. My heart's pounding. And I don't know why. 'Cause I'm not a phone op. I'm a cocky, lowly QRPer on the paddles, not on the mic. These guys are crazy. This guy sounds cool, though. I'm going to give him a call. When he peaks over 9, I'm going to give him a call. I might pause this.
59, thank you. Kilo Whiskey 7 Yankee. Kilo Washington 7 Yankee. Kilo Whiskey 7 Yankee. Contest. Overnight Kilo Bravo 59581. Thank you. Kilo Whiskey 7 Yankee.
November 8, November Kilo, QRP.
November 8, November Kilo, I think. QRP 59582.
QSL, thank you. You are 5959, number 10, number 10, number 10, using QRP and a 2-foot high antenna, QSL.
Okay, got number 10. Thanks a lot. Kilo Whiskey 7 Yankee.
Yeah, on one hand, oh boy, I know it's a contest, man. All right. Here we go. Hey, man, I appreciate the call. First time. And I'm sure I was weak on his end, you know. I'm using 14 watts right now, PEP, which on my rig is about 12 watts actual RF output, PEP. And, you know, man, thank God he heard me and copied me, and he was willing to give me a call and work me, you know. But damn, man. I did, hello, dude. Hey, I did throw in there that I was using a 2-foot high antenna. 2-foot high antenna. Hello? Woo, you know. Now, I don't know who might stumble across this video, you know, but you unfortunate souls that do, I ask you a question. How many times have you worked a ham on 40 meters, phone, who was using QRP, and at least claimed to be using a 2-foot high antenna? Hello, 2 feet high, have you ever, people? I've been a ham since 1974. 1974. Damn, I've been a ham for 45 years. I have never worked a guy using a 2-foot high antenna on any HF band. QRP or QRO, CW or phone. Top band or 10 meters. With that, I'm going to bed. 73.